How to upload an index file to your site using FileZilla FTP Client. Open the FileZilla Client application on your Windows system. Enter the host name in the host field. For example, wpenage.uk, cPanel. This is your domain name. Now enter the username into the username field, and password into the password field. You can use your cPanel username and password as your FTP username and password. Enter the port number where your server listens. The default port number is 21. Click on the Quick Connect button. The server pane displays files and directories on the connected server. Double-click on the public_HTML directory. In the local pane, go to the folder where you have placed your index file. Right-click on the index file. Click on the Upload option. That's it, you have successfully uploaded an index file to your site using FileZilla. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.